just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. C for cool. Anyway, today we are going to make, by the way, not you. I am going to make sopas. So, I'm not a good cook. Oh, I don't know, honey. Am I a good cook?
No, yes.
Huh?
Ah.
Marunong naman ako magluto. Ang nanay ko magaling magluto. Shout out mga taga-Mansalay. Hello po kung kilala niyo si Aling Emmy dyan sa kanto. Magaling naman siya magluto. Lutong bahay. Anyway, I'm craving for sopas. Alam naman natin ang sopas is parang comfort food ng mga Filipino. Especially kung nakatira kayo abroad. So, anyway, madali naman siyang gawin kasi almost all the ingredients that you need, you can buy here in Thailand. Actually, all.
All of it.
Yeah, all of it.
Do you remember where sopas comes from?
No.
It's from
Noodle
America.
soup?
It is from our comfort food, chicken noodle
Yeah.
soup. It's the soup that like our parents used to make us when we were sick. Make us chicken. Ours doesn't have the carnation.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't
No
have
milk.
It doesn't have a milky thing to it. It's just like a chicken broth with, and we don't even really have noodles in ours, really. So it is different.
So you just use chicken.
We use chicken and vegetables, and I guess
so
there actually
macaroni.
might be some macaroni in there a little bit, but it's not a big part of it. It's mostly just chicken and broth and vegetables.
So that is according to Google, right?
You know what we do? We don't use these though. We use the
Pasta?
the pasta like spaghetti.
Really?
Type. Yeah, I think so.
I don't know, I think you're just making it up.
I could be.
Ang gagawin ko ngayon is actually different kasi now my husband knows how I love spicy. Even my friends know how I love spicy food. I actually love Thai food. I'm not being a traitor to my country, but I do love Thai food more than Filipino food.
Me too.
Now that I've been living here for 15 years, I don't know if I compare Filipino food to Thai food is more flavorful, more savory. It's just the flavor is exploding, it's bursting. It's really, really delicious food. Actually, they use a lot of, what do you call that? Spices. Herbs and spices. That is why.
Yeah, but you know what? I have to admit, the Filipino food would be closer to some American
Western food.
Yeah, because like your
Kind of bland.
this is like chicken noodle soup, and your the other one with the potatoes in it.
Adobo.
Adobo.
Yeah.
Adobo is like our beef stew. I mean,
That's true, that's true.
I mean, it's really, really close to
That's
American
true.
beef stew. Again, that's not American, but it is an American thing. So yeah, I would say it's probably closer, but you're right. It's more bland than Thai food.
Yes.
Thai is really spicy and
A lot of
almost
spices.
everything,
They use a lot of spices.
They
and
use a lot of these. Period.
No, honey. They use a lot
They
of
do.
herbs.
They do.
They use lemongrass. They use cilantro, celery. They use
Oregano.
oregano,
Yeah,
basil. It's just
pepper.
yeah, because most of the
Fish
Filipino
sauce.
food, guys, aminin natin, ang malimit lang natin ginagamit is onion and garlic. Almost, yeah,
Yeah.
and pepper. And
Well, but you know
most
what? You
of the
can't go
food,
wrong with
that's-
onion and garlic. Those are
I
very
know,
two good
that's why I
spices.
said it's kinda, it's just
I like.
bland. That is not true. You wouldn't even eat adobo.
I do like adobo. I love the flavor of adobo, and I just don't like the fatty meat. I love adobo. I think adobo is really it's beef stew to me. But you guys use the big fat chunks of fat, and that's
what we
nasty.
love. We love fat.
I love the pork. I love beef. I love chicken. You could make any of it, but it's just the big chunks of fat I can't eat.
Because
But I love it.
Westerners, guys, because I also work with, not just American, I also work with Australian and English teachers at my school. Yeah, they don't like fatty meat.
Same thing with a shrimp in
Yes,
Asia.
yes.
You guys cook it with the shell and the head and
Because
everything on it.
That's the tasty part.
But not
That's-
for us.
I know,
We
that's
just like-
where you get the flavor. Without further ado, so gagawa ko ngayon ng Filipino sopas but with a twist.
What's the twist, Mary
That's
Chris?
the twist because I am going to put 23 chilies here, guys. Ayan, of course, marami naman sa mga Pilipino, it's okay, honey.
It's okay.
Almost all Filipinos know how to make sopas. 23 chilies, And of course, I use I think 5 cloves of garlic, and then 1 piece of onion, and half roasted chicken. I already shredded the chicken, and half also cabbage. I used half only, not the whole piece. And 2 carrots, 2 pieces of carrots. And we're gonna use, of course, a little bit of pepper, ground pepper. And this is because you can use chicken broth because I didn't buy the fresh chicken. This is already roasted. My husband bought it for me. It's actually mushroom. For some reason, I love the flavor of my, Filipino food. Every time I put this mushroom nor cube. And then, of course, 250 grams of macaroni, elbow macaroni. And, of course, ang star ng Pasko, ang pinakamahalaga, carnation, evaporated. Oh, the brand. Oh, Buchanan Man. I'm promoting the brand, honey. And then, of course, a little bit of oil because we're going to saute the garlic and onions and chickens. And then, of course, also they said it makes the flavor pop. That's what they said. Instead of using salt, you use fish sauce. So I probably just, I think I'm gonna use, maybe a spoon, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce.
That's a lot.
No, it's not. Ito yung pinaka-fun part ng pagluto because I'm going to make it very, very spicy. Not just spicy, extra spicy.
Which means I can't eat it.
Yung pag kinain mo, yung maluluha ka tapos sisipunin ka. Right, honey?
I have no idea what you said.
I mean, when you eat spicy food, like it almost make you cry. And
it makes me cry.
Runny nose.
Yeah. Makes me very, very sad.
These are 23 pieces of chilies, and I'm gonna ground it because the first time I just actually slice it into small pieces. Now I feel like I'm making somtam. Alam niyo ba guys, yung somtam is a papaya salad. One of my favorite Thai dishes. Somtam. Look at this. Oh my god. It's almost, oh my, look. The smell, it's making me cry now.
Oh.
Ooh, can you see it, guys?
Oh yeah, that's true. That's whew.
Oh, it's gonna be way spicier this time. Guys, take a good look. My extra spicy Filipino Sopas. It's like Filipino Sopas but with a Thai touch, right, honey?
Yeah.
Because in Thailand, most of the food that you would order from the restaurant are spicy because Thai people love spicy. Hindi yung standard natin na spicy na yung parang spicy na sa atin but for them it's not. Anyway, so let's go to my kitchen. It's very, very little amount. I think it's just really 1 tablespoon. And then,
Tapos.
almost all Filipinos know how to cook sopas because it's our comfort food. So anyway, of course, garlic and onion. So ako kasi pinagsasabay ko na ang garlic and onion. Oh, ang bango-bango. Woo! Look at this. You see that? My extra spicy sopas. It reminds me of making padgrapao.
I can do it without the peppers.
The chicken.
Ooh, that's strong.
Because of the chilies.
I know. Ooh, that's burning my throat.
Oh wow. Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah, that's strong. Ooh,
Move, daddy. It's okay. Later. Even for me. Oh. Amoy pa lang. Ang sakit na sa ilong. Kasi yung kanyang amoy na maanghang. Oh. We had to go out of the kitchen for a while. It was making us cough. I'm just gonna put the water. 1 cup of water. And then, when the water is hot, I'm gonna put the elbow macaroni.
Elbow macaroni.
Yes. And then of course, my secret. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, that's
My
spicy.
mushroom
Broth?
broth, yes. And it's not really a broth, it's a cube.
I think it is cube broth, though. I think.
That's true, it's a cube broth.
You know, the bad part about this for me is that it smells really good. I just know I can't eat it. It's just really spicy, but it smells delicious.
And you only cook it because I also don't like really soggy, really soft.
You like al dente.
Al dente. Yeah, so just 10 minutes, it should be fine. It's still spicy, honey.
It's just kind of hitting me a little bit, yeah. You need a little more water in
Of
there?
course, yes. I need another cup of water. Hello, Pilipinas!
What about my mom?
My mom, Janet Pollard, in America. Mom,
Do you think she would eat this?
yes, not spicy, not this kind of spicy, but I think she would love it. Because,
Well, I don't think most humans can eat your kind of spicy.
no baby, a lot of Thai.
Well, yeah, Thais aren't
Almost all,
human.
yeah, almost all the Thai that I know. So I'm gonna put my secret ingredients. It's not secret anymore because I already told you guys.
Yeah.
Mushroom cube, because it's already boiling. So we're just gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. And then I will
Add the
come
veg.
back. So ilalagay ko na ang ating carrots. Yan, ang ganda ng kulay. Diyos ko, napakaanghang po sa totoong buhay. As in, ilalagay na rin natin ang cabbage. Ready? Ayan.
Mix it up, stir it up.
Yes. So the flavor is even, correct?
Yeah.
I am going to put a sprinkle of pepper, ground pepper. Hindi ko na pakadadamihan kasi it's already spicy
Yeah.
from the chili. And of course, our secret patis. Just 1 tablespoon. Hindi kasi mataas ang aking tolerance sa maalat. I'm not a big fan of salty. And then, of course, ang ating pangpalinamnam. Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Wow. That's what gives the sopas look.
That's true. The milky look, the creamy luscious. Does it look like sopas, honey?
As far as I know. Before I met you, I didn't know what sopas was, so yeah. It doesn't really look anything like American chicken noodle soup, which is what it comes from. But I can see where you get it.
I don't know kung ako pa lang ang nakakagawa ng spicy sopas. Bagay siya. But yeah, it actually complements spicy sopas. So, luto na siya. Feeling ko ako lang ang I think I am the very first Filipino that actually make extra spicy sopas. Good job, Mary Chris. Good job. Galing mo talaga. Galing ko. So anyways, titikman ko na siya. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, it's a little bit red. Pinkish because of the chilies. Oh, humahagod. But it's really good, honey. I really like spicy sopas. You can see that? The chilies.
Mm-hmm.
It really goes well with the milk, the creamy taste, and then the spicy, yung sipa, may sipa ng anghang. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hello Pilipinas! Sana makabangon tayo and sana be positive lang. Keep hope alive. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please hit the bell button to get notified. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Bye!